Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So you may have noticed my eye there. The dog did that to me. I haven't been in a fight or anything. But I'm just going to show you a few things in this video. So I've started some seeds off via the paper towel method. So I'll show you what I've got in there. I'm going to talk quite a lot about sunflowers. So I'll show you my sunflowers, challenge sunflowers, and I've also got some more sunflower seedlings, and I've sown some more sunflower seeds. I've got some other seedlings which I'm going to show you as well. I've got some pumpkins, a couple of sweetcorn, and I've been sowing some seeds, sweetcorn seeds as well, so I'll update you on them. So I'll just turn the camera around and we'll get cracking. Alright guys, these are the seedlings which I've got growing at the moment, which I didn't show you me sowing them, because I've done so many videos of me sowing seeds, they're all kind of the same, so I've just kind of been cracking on, but I'll show you what I've got under here. Under here, the ones with big leaves are pumpkins, Atlantic Giant. So I'm looking forward to seeing how they grow. As I say, I'm probably a little late for growing things, but this sort of thing. However, if I'll still get pumpkins, but they'll just be a bit later than Halloween. But they can harvest them early. I will see how they go. It depends on the weather. And these are sunflower seeds, sunflower seedlings, which are about 10 days old now. I planted the seeds about 10 days ago. These are looking really good, much better than my first lot, which kind of failed. So Nick, if you're watching from Nick's allotment, who set the sunflower challenge, I will show you my sunflower challenge seedlings in a minute, but this is my next sowing, which I would like to enter into the competition, if that's not against the rules. I don't see why you can't start again, so that should be fine. These are watermelons. They kind of failed as well, so I'm trying again with them. Hopefully now that they can be outside, it'll be a lot easier to keep everything alive. And that's a sunflower there, not a sunflower, a watermelon, and just a couple of random sweet corns. I did plant more than this, but these are just the three that are living. I have sown more sweet corn seeds as well, which I will show you. So anyway, I'll show you my other sunflowers. They're not doing too well, but I'll show you them. Alright, so these are my original sunflowers, which I sowed quite a while ago now, for the sunflower challenge. As you can see, they grew quite well and flowered, but they're very small. This is due to the cold most likely and the lack of sunlight, because they are a giant variety, and clearly they didn't get giant. They got to about 1.5 foot. This one was sown a couple of weeks later, and you can see the difference from it having more light. It's a lot bigger, it's about 2.5–3 foot, but I have got a load more sown, and I'm going to try again with sunflower. And I did stick a few seeds, just poked them into soil around here, and a few of them are coming up now. I have taken a couple out and potted them up, which is quite simple to do. Just kind of get your finger underneath. Luckily this compost is quite loose, so just pop them out. I've broken the taproot most likely, because that would have shot straight down, but that should be alright. But ideally the best bet's to sow sunflowers where you want them to be, as you don't damage the roots and they'll grow bigger. Anyway, so I'll keep you updated on all my sunflowers. I'll get back to you in a minute. These are the seeds I was talking about. These are Sweetcorn Incredible F1, which was sown on the 14th. So a little late, but I'm hoping not too late, should be fine. And these are more sunflowers. If you don't realise already, I like growing sunflowers. Anyway, so I've got quite a few sunflowers on the go. So I'll show you something else. I'll get back to you in a minute. And I have also sown some more seeds via the paper towel method. I did a video on the paper towel method about a year ago. I'll put a card thing up the top, whatever they're called, to take you to that video if you're interested in seeing how you do this. That's pretty simple. So these are from bird seed, these sunflower seeds, that you just get big bags of it for not a lot. It's much cheaper than actually buying sunflower seeds to grow as sunflowers, if you get what I mean. These are meant to be fed to the birds, but there's nothing wrong with the seeds as far as I'm aware. They all germinated, every single one of them. I think I sowed about 20 in here. So in a minute I'm going to show you how to separate these off of here and how to pot them up. Underneath here I've got these are mango seeds. I did a video on mangoes, growing the seeds from mangoes before as well, so I'll put another card up for that. But basically I can't really unwrap them because the tissue's kind of stuck to them, but maybe shouldn't have used this sort of toilet paper tissue. I think kitchen mould, the stuff that doesn't rip, is much better. But anyway, yeah, basically you just take the seed out, remove the husk from it, which is the hard outside casing, and just wrap it up in some damp tissue until it sprouts. Normally takes a few weeks. What else have we got in here? We've also got, these are just some tomato seeds, which I'm just probably going to plant once I pot them up. Sorry, I was thinking as well as trying to talk, but yeah. And underneath there is some pepper seeds which haven't germinated yet, so there's not much point in me showing you them. But anyway, we'll make a start. I will start potting the sunflower seeds up, and I might pot up a couple of the tomato seeds as well. So I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, so I'm gonna plant these sunflower seeds that are germinated, but with the paper towel method. So I'm going to be planting them into these modules for now. So I've just filled this up with just ordinary multi-purpose compost, and leveled it off and firmed it down a little bit. So all we're going to do is take seed or seedling, and we're just going to make a nice little hole in here and just drop them in. Now I'm doing it quite close to the surface, but it will find its own way eventually. So I'll crack on with the rest of these and get back to you. Alright, so that's that done. So I've got 3 rows of sunflowers, and I've just put the tomatoes in there. Now all I've got to do is give these a good old water, and and put them somewhere nice and sunny, and hopefully they'll be alright. Alright, that's it for this episode, guys. So thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, if you could subscribe to me, that would be fantastic. If you enjoyed the video, and keep an eye out for the next episode. I'll keep you updated on all the seedlings and seeds. Until next time, guys, have a great week. I'll see you later.